What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the second part of our new driving version. We got Grandma again. She always has a pretty smile on the camera. We are just leaving Old Fashioned Pancake House, and our next stop is Dairy Queen. What's wrong?
It's gonna be a while.
Shouldn't be that long.
A lot of traffic here on Jefferson.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Oh, jeez. Shoot.
What a gutterball grandma.
I don't wanna pull out and get smacked.
Don't even think about that.
I said that's why I didn't pull out. I didn't think I could make it fast enough.
Yeah, apparently.
But you know what I should have made you eat today?
What?
Corned beef and cabbage.
No! Ew.
That's traditional Irish meal for St. Patrick's Day.
I'm not Irish. Okay?
You don't know that.
I know I'm not Irish. Oh, there's the same car that my cousin Jesse has. A Hyundai Veloster.
Veloster? What's a Veloster?
Hyundai. It's like a sedan and hatchback combination.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Is this? Yes.
Your next stop is Dairy Queen, right?
Yep. Get right on down.
I'm gonna get the vanilla and chocolate twist.
Oh, really?
Yeah. oh my goodness!
Huh?
Thank goodness, another one! Oh my goodness, that's 2 days in a row where I get to hear you sneezing!
Colin.
That's awesome! Oh boy, am I gonna...
It was 3.
Yup. That's 4.
Probably be about it. No, I don't think so.
I knew that was gonna come up in the first place.
Huh?
I knew that was gonna come up in the first place.
You did not.
Yes, I
How
did.
did you know?
Because I heard the... when you made that little breathing sound.
Colin. No, turn that off.
I just want to do an action.
What?
I want to do that in action.
That's not to say we did.
This is gonna be interesting.
What?
This is gonna be interesting.
What number is that?
I think that's 8.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure it isn't 7?
Okay, then I think. Hold on, I'll have to look at the video once we're done.
I think it was 7.
That's two. Like I said, that's 2 days in a row where I get to hear you sneezing.
I think it's done.
Oh, my goodness, that was quite interesting. I guess I'm going to call this video New Driving Version with a Sneeze Bonus. Since I'm doing a driving video and you sneezing in the background, that's interesting.
Come on, people.
Is it going to happen again?
No, I think I'm done.
Oh, attention, please. This is an important LaughQuake announcement. There is no hospitals available at this time either. So please drive carefully and watch out for other falling trees or stoplights or anything that might come towards your way.
Did you hear about that guy last night? He was on getting onto the expressway, and he wasn't driving. He was in the passenger seat, and somebody from the street up above threw a big boulder down on the car.
Oh.
Went right through there and killed him.
It was around here?
Yeah, it was in Chicago on the Edens Expressway or something. One of those. The wife was driving, the husband was sitting in the passenger seat, and they had a little kid in the back seat. The wife and the child weren't hurt, but she rushed him to the hospital, but he died. It was a 35-pound boulder through the windshield.
How am I gonna... Hold on a second.
That's horrible. Just evil.
What am I gonna do? How am I gonna combine this together? I know what I'm gonna do.
What?
Once I get this on YouTube, okay, I'm gonna put down New Driving Version Part 2 with Funny Grandma Sneeze Version 8.
Version 8?
Yeah, because yesterday I did Version 7. I think that's how I'll do it.
No. Okie dokie then.
This never happened before, by the way. I think I'm going to be surprised when I hear you sneezing, because I'm not even pointing the camera at you while you're sneezing, except for just that one time. Alright?
Here we are at Route 30.
Watch Chevy Impala.
Huh?
We actually have a couple of those at the Rockbridge Police Department in my imaginary world.
What's Orion?
What?
What is that up in the window?
I have no clue what that is.
Orion.
I'm not sure.
Orion was one of the Egyptian gods. It's also a constellation of stars up in the sky. And I can find Orion. Did you know that? I can find Orion, and I can find Orion's belt. Okie dokie. Come on. Do you ever go to Sonic?
No.
You know, that was your papa's favorite place to go for Coke. He thought their Coke was the best.
So, Grandma,
What?
who do you think made that announcement just a couple minutes ago?
You,
Nope.
a.k.a. Robot.
It's just Robot.
No, it's Colin as Robot.
What?
It's Colin, a.k.a. Robot.
It was Robot, because you know she's the manager of the Colored Planets.
She just does whatever you tell her to do.
No, she doesn't. She does it all on her own.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, she does.
She's a robot. She can't do things on her own. She's a machine.
Yes, she can. In my world, she can.
What, you got thinking machines now? She's a machine if she's a robot.
Well, she's the boss.
I don't think it works that way.
It works. My world is completely crazy. You should believe it. With the different colored school buses too.
No.
Like the orange school buses and the orange planet.
No.
And stuff.
Don't even go there.
Why?
Because that is very unsafe for children to do that.
Not in my world.
Why? Yes, it is, because they don't show up.
It says school bus on there, so
Well, if it says it in the same color, you can't see it.
everyone can see it because they're so used to being over there.
Baloney. No, you get used to everything being one color. You don't think about it. You don't see it.
Oh, yes, we do. Yes.
How many accidents involving school buses? Hundreds, I bet.
Not
Hundreds.
not recently in my world.
I bet there is.
No, there
They're
isn't.
just hiding them.
I'm not hiding them.
Yes, you
I
are.
know there was. It hasn't been recently. Okay? Okay?
No. You're just making it up as you go along.
It's my job to make stuff up.
Colin.
What now?
Passing the Menards. And here's Cottonwood Farms Nursery. And that's where they have the Halloween stuff every year. The maze and all that stuff.
Oh, great.
What?
The Leftquake certificates just came in right now.
The what?
Leftquake certificates for today. So it started at 12:49 p.m. on the 17th. According to this, 7 Leftquakes is a medium-high Leftquake. Oh, great! I just saw a stoplight fell onto the street.
Did not.
It's all because of your sneeze.
It is not. You're just making.
There's a 3-car accident over there too,
Not.
and it's all because of your
It is
sneeze.
not. You're just making all that up.
Well, your sneeze causes a Leftquake, so
I do not think so. I do not think so.
I kind of have to watch my time.
Oh, you need to let your mom know. I hope. Does your mom always have her driver's license with her?
I think so.
Okay, because now to get past the guard, even if you're on the list, you have to show them your driver's license to get in the gate. So maybe call your mom and just let her know. I would imagine.
I'm going to call her in about an hour, about like less than an hour.
Oh yeah, before she makes sure she's got it. I would imagine she's got it with her all the time anyway.
Yeah.
Just to let her know that the guard's going to ask her for a driver's license.
Oh boy. You know what? I think I'm going to stop once we get up to Renwick. Because my time is... Because I can only record up to like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Because it will be rejected then. And I don't want that to happen. So you know what? Actually...
You're going to stop it now?
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm going to stop right here. Because if I record over 15 minutes, it's going to reject. So I don't want that to happen. Because I want you guys to see this video. So I hope you guys enjoy... I hope you at least enjoyed this. And like I said, this was kind of interesting about my grandma sneezing in the background. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.